Hello everyone, my name is Swaraj Prajapati. Today I'm going to solve the LeetCode number 137, single number 2. So what are you going to solve? So it is given an array, nums of array like two different types of elements is there. We have to return only which the elements appears exact three times except for one. Okay, all the elements is all the elements having a frequency of 3. So we have to return the element which have a containing a frequency only 1. Like in this example one, only 3 as having a 1 frequency, we have to return 3. And this nums of second example, only 99 have a 1 frequency, we have to return 19. So we will take unordered map for calculating the frequency. And if any elements have frequency of 1, so we will to return this. So first we take unordered map of integer and integer of key and value. Now what we're going to, we have to store the frequency in this. So here we are going to store the frequency in which like 2 is appearance 3 times and 2 appear 3 times and 3 appear 1 times. Now what are you going to do? Like I will take another loop for int. Then we check m1 of nums of I. So calculating the value which is equal to 1. Then we directly return number, or we can okay directly we return key. Okay. Error generating extra brackets. Okay, we can just not any return purpose. So we take one variable, know, not assigning any value, and number value. So fine. Is also my test case is pass in this in extra num. So we're going to submit this. See 0 millisecond for this solution. So what will be the time complexity? So first loop in this for loop, the time complexity will O of n. And similarly, this second for loop also a time complexity is O of m. So together we combine, so it will return like O of n plus m. So it will return a constant of n plus m is a constant, so it will remain as O of n.